over to you, sir. Kindly.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this much opportunity. I'm Raghu, CEO of the Nabitha Engineering Private Limited. As we are developing the machineries, not a machinery, it's a millet processing machinery. How to process the machinery? Machinery manufacturing is easy, but how to run the machinery, how to train the farmers or any entrepreneur, that is the difficult task. We overcome that one. That's why we giving a today lecture on that only. Next, I will explain two parts, part one and part two. Part one is the majorly why importance in rural areas. What once we giving the more importance in rural area, what is the beneficial? I will explain short note. After that, we will go to the millet processing unit and how to process the machineries, all things. First one. So important of establishing processing in rural area. First point is the whatever the millets is coming to the rural areas. Once we encourage the farmers, farmers, we will develop that some eco-friendly different areas. We will educated, agriculturally educated. That time only they will go to the millet farming. After that, we will establish small units and with help of FPOs, it's a small scale NGOs, different areas. They establish units in this rural areas. We will develop the whatever the this one employment opportunities and whatever the jobs, all things, and we and connect to the main end users. Means it's a bigger scale units is there. We connect to that areas. In urban areas, we connect to the whatever the millet processing small units is connected to the big units. They are procured to the small units to big units. They develop the they're getting the more price on that. And reducing the mitigation means whatever the poor employment in the rural areas, automatically whatever the younger people go to the urban areas, we will decrease and we will giving the employment local area also. We uniquely develop the area. And other point is the improve the agriculture productivity. Whatever the local products is there, we will show to the that places. And better to access the technology and infrastructure. That one also important rural areas. That's why I'm not go to the deeply, just outer lines only I am explaining. Completely I will explain processing unit. The main conclusion is that establishment of processing unit in rural areas crucially face several reasons. First one is that create the employment opportunities, and second one is the boost and once we will process units in that place, one unit is established, then relevant at small stalls and that hardware pot shops, all things are one by one develop is happen and easy to market and local. We'll go to the easy to marketing and we can also improve the agriculture productivity and reduce the wastage. So travel. First one is the traveling. Will be wasting the money. Second one is the losses. What are the transport losses? And once we got, when you got the order, that time only we will make the process. We will efficiency. All things are increases. And additionally, can reduce the migration of the people to the urban areas. Our younger people go to the only cities because of they get the job there only. We will mitigate that that one. Well, here only will develop the industries, whatever that. They also allocate that whatever the employment people, and which can alleviate and problems and like overload and the strain and on the resources. Finally, it can prove an access to the better technology and infrastructure and improving the quality of life for people and living in the rural areas. Main point is this one only, improving the rural areas living quarter, and therefore it is the improvement that we prioritize the establishment of the processing unit in rural areas. By doing so, we cannot only address the challenges and faced by rural communities, but also contribute to the overall development of the country. Means olden days also so many well-known persons said we develop the rural areas. Automatically, India also grow. That point I will notice here. Keep on identify that point also. That basis in future also anyone interested after seeing the processing lecture, you will decide rural areas also. Coming to the part two, I will clearly explain on that. Why the millet processing? Millets are to run as the yesterday's sports and grain, and today's is the nutrition cereal. Presently important and nutrition cereal. So because of its rice came, once rice came, after that whatever the nutrition pots, all things are going out. After that, we'll go to the when we got the corona, that time onwards, most of peoples and rural areas and here, whatever the urban peoples also know the millets, how to eat that. Once we eat that, whatever the health issues, we will decrease the health issues, whatever things, all things. Based on that millets are the considered the future of crop. And as they are resistant to most of the pests and the diseases and applicate the the harsh environment of the means simply the what are the environment is there, but millet crop is will come. Simple point. Most of here millet is there in India, in means Asian countries, of African countries only crop is majorly is there. And millets are the highly nutritious crop and contain the sustainable more amount of the vitamins and minerals. Millets are the good sources of the energy and diabetic fiber and slowly digestible starch and resistant starch and thus provide sustain release the glucose and they the sustain. Main thing what is that normally what example I'm telling, say pizza, like fast food they are taking easy to digest. Immediately what happened once easy to digest, what happened? It will be some diseases will come. Immediately we want to hungry. So many things happen. We want to decrease that one also. Whatever the millet will be slowly digest. That will be whatever the glucose level will be stable. You doesn't get the any sugar, whatever the diabetes, some little bit diseases also decreases. So benefits will come to see the benefits, whatever the benefits. In conclusion, millet processing is an essential step to the ensure the production of the high quality millet products by going through the cleaning and grading, dehusking and polishing and the milling or the packaging processing. Some major steps. First one is the pre-cleaning and what is the process means dehusking and dehulling. After that, we after getting the dehusking hulling, here little bit unhulled grains also there. We want to remove. We get the 100% hull product. That is the major issue. Here we sort out the here. And millets can be transformed into the nutrition and delicious food products that can be beneficial both customers and to starting to end user. Moreover, supporting the millet processing unit can have positive impacts on the local economics and the communities. And this unit create the job opportunities and promote the sustainable agriculture practices, which can be lead to the increased food security and improve the living food for farmers and their families. And by choosing to the support millet processing, we are not only choosing the consumer health there and more sustainable food products, but also contributing to the well-being the our community. We will come into the process. What is the process? Means 4 steps, 4 to 5 steps is there. This is the millet flow chart. First one is the pre-cleaning. First, when we getting the coming to the process means first we collecting the raw material. Raw material having the so many impurities because of farmers doing the only manual. That is the major issue. We want to clean that. That is the pre-cleaning. After that, softening. Means we have so many millets. We already know 8 millets is there. One millet is husk will be very thin, other millet having more husk, like kodo, little, barnyard, finger millet, like different husk level is there. We want to doing that one softening. After that, we want to remove that whatever the husk is there, we want to remove that. That is the decalling. And millet rice separation means after hulling also, we will get the 5% or 10%, depends upon the moisture level. That time we unhulled grains is there, we want to remove. That is the millet rice separation. Finally, we making the packing. Once we got in the 99% or 100% hulled product millet is there, we'll finally go to the product. Packing is the different, that one also I will explain. This is the step one. First mission name is the pre-cleaner. We told pre-cleaner. Pre-cleaner name is as a destoner come grader come aspirator. Means this is the destoning work also doing and grader work also doing aspirator. What are the lightweight particles suction out also this doing. And step two, it's a dehusker. Softening means dehusk. And step three, it's a dehulling and husk removing. And fourth step, hulled rice separation. Hulled and whatever the broken, all things are finally we get the good product. In case of when we using the we want byproducts, grain to the floor or rava, two different. Fifth step, what your choice you will utilize there. And finally packing. If you want grain packing also, you will come to the here. And if you want flour and rava also coming to the here. First one is the pre-cleaner. That is the raw material cleaner. This is the millet destoner come grader come aspirator. What is that? We have so many variances that millet, this one destoner come grader come aspirator. Here starting one is the 250 kgs to and 1 ton. Two different, three different types of machineries is there. First, explain this. Destoner come grader come aspirator. Removing the impurities like poison particles, stone, mud removing and lightweight particles, other impurities with the help of these 6 filters, all the impurities will be free. This is the hopper and this is the rack, and after that it's the grader. This is the aspirator. Once we will place the material here and this little bit open the wall, this is the rack. Before rack, this is the aspirator. What are the lightweight particles means? Egg blow through egg blow going material going to the here and suction it going to the outside. Second step is that here it's a rack. 2 filters is there. For example, we consider we're discussing on the finger millets. It's finger millets, little millets. We consider as a little millet. Little millet completely we collecting from the farmer. On that, little millet size is different. Okay, that size above size means stones, lightweight particles, what are the sticks coming to the top. We collecting here. And second one, it's a little millet below size, minerals, mud particles, sand particles. All things are coming to the bottom. Final, what are the equal size of stones, mud particles mixing with our grain means finger millets coming to the distone. Here, what are the this main principle is the weight-wise separation. Means our finger millets is the weight is the very less compared to stone. That basis we will adjust the here some settings is there based on that. Whatever the big stones is there going to the back side, front side it will come to the our grain pure grain only. This is a up to here. It's a clean grain up to what means here de-stone aspirated grain. After that, we're coming to the grader. Grader having the 2 sieves. Here also we want whatever the size. So Ragi also bigger size, small size also is there. Based on size, we choose the sieves. We finally will coming to the front side itself with collecting the good quality material. If you want the bigger size mixing Ragi material, finger millet is there. We collecting here and it's the top bottom also we're collecting lightweight sand particles, all things are broken one also, we collect. So final one product is the good quality material. Means without stone, without stick, all things are clear here. Means remove the impurities and task because of it's helping in further process and quality and then yields. So aspirator I explained and the hopper that one. And power requirement is the 3 HP or actually it's a 3-phase machineries and single-phase machineries is also available. Minimum capacity is the 250 kg per hour. That one power consumption is the say 2.5 kilowatts, means 2 units only max per hour. And second one is the dehusk, softening. So here most of it's a major millets, minor millets is there. So major millets like pulp millets and finger millets, sorghum, we can dehusk in the machine. Means major millets, so for suppose finger millets is there. Finger millets having little bit husk. That husk we want to remove. That one, this machinery will be useful. Removing the husk and we collecting that one. Go to the once again post separate. This mission is utilized for softening the outer layer of the minor millets. Minor millets also it's a kodo, it's a barnyard. It's having a 7 layers. One is the other one is the 3 layers. We want to remove the 1 layers here. Because of further process, it is the very useful for us. Hopper is used to store the material to the and control flow. This is the hopper controlling the flow. Based on that, inside the emery stone, whatever the emery stone is there, and remove the husk. That stone will be the main part is the emery stone. That emery stone will be removing the husk. It is the outlet. We collecting the materials here, and this is the husk collector. Here two variants is there, mainly 40 kgs and 350 to 100 kgs variants. In 3-phase we will getting the 40 kgs. If you want 3-phase, we will go to the only 100 to 350 kgs per hour. And third step, it's a dehull. If you go to the minor millets, this mission is very important for little millets. Some minor millets can be dehulled in this machinery. This machinery is used for the removing the outer layer of the minor millets. Minor millets is the podo, little, barnyard, rosso, foxtail, like that. As in back side, aspirator is there. Aspirator remove the whatever the husk particle to the outside. And hopper is used to the and power requirement 3-phase and single phase also we will provide. We recently we launched the single phase mission for 100 to 200 kgs per hour. We successfully run on tribal areas. Why expand in tribal areas? Because of tribal area is the power consumption is utilization is very less and power shortage also is there. That area only 3-phase is not available, single phase is available. That basis we giving single phase also same mission. We getting the efficiency 90 to 95% based on the quality of grain and moisture level. One more important point is the moisture level. When we maintain the 12 to 10% range of the moisture level, we will getting the good efficiency of material. And fourth step is the rice separation. Once we getting the whatever the hulled material mixing with unhulled, and after that we collecting here, we will place the material here. This the dehulled grain includes the millet rice and some broken rice, very little bit husk and the very small amount of the powder. All things are we want to separate that one. Final we getting that product, we want to quantity provide. This requirement is used to separate the entire grain of the rice from the other mixture. The aspirator system is to clean the husk from the processing material. Hopper is used for the flow and controllers, and power requirements also 3-phase. Only single phase also is available, and this is the same like gravity wise it will work. It's a backside, this is the aspirator, and it's a front side grader. They based on that whatever the broken parts and floor, all things are we separate the outlets in the front side. We will collecting the second quality. Back side we collecting the good quality grain. Up to this one is the millet processing without packing machine and without flow. After we getting the when we collecting the backside finished product, that one is the 99.5% and little bit 0.05% little bit happens. That one also it's the positive. And step 1 is the step 50 is the packing machine. When we normally after post cleaning, we getting the whatever the processed material, that one will be stored in normal temperature and atmosphere condition. It will be insect will be happen. That it is not useful longer time. That's why we go to the packing. This is the packing mission. Is that it's a weigh filler, means automatically weighed, and we pack the material and we collecting the food. This is the automatic packing machine, and this pack that design and standard pouches, means it's a this packing machine. For suppose this packing machine per minute nearer to 12 to 10 packets will make the packing. It's a 1 kg packet. To increase the life of the grain, can use the nitrogen filling also and punching. And other option also is there. So vacuum also. Vacuum means other machine will be added. Hopper is used to store to the material and control the flow. And power requirement, 3 phase or single phase is also available. This machine is working for 100 grams packing, and 1000 grams packing means 1 kg packing. So project cost means anyone interested to the establishment the one unit based on the, for suppose fixed capital, say 8 lakhs rupees, and we will go to the land and shade. All things are been coming to the electricity and the civil works coming to here square feet area per rate also is there. And finally we getting the 13 lakhs total capital for support. After that, we'll go to the, in case of own allocated or government allocated, depends upon your choice. And cost of the machinery 300 kg per hour capacity. The final grand total nearer to 15 lakhs. You will get the all the machineries with floor machineries also, packing machinery, all things are there. Finally, you will get the nearer to 16.85 lakhs. And the cost of the 100 kg per hour of capacity, we want final output we are telling. This one also 300 kg output capacity. Same, nearer to 10.68 lakhs. It's normally cost, it's 18%, as of now 18% GST. Olden days we got the only 5%. That's reason only maybe increases this GST prices. I think most of our processing know. And value proposition, it's a machinery is easy to easy to predict to the whatever the customers, and free to the climate condition and less power consumption, and to the easy to operation and no standard maintenance is required. For suppose we sell to you machineries, we simply through video call. Once we trained, after train only we will do this one through video call. Any small correction also we'll make it through that type of machineries we manufacture. And we are doing the especially solar based machineries already is going on. This all machinery spare part will be India law available. Most of in India it's available, and it's local shops also. Whatever the spare parts are, it's easy to available. And it's a UPS is the we offered one stop source and multi-functional centers of for requirements in the designing and development forming of machineries. Apart from designing and development, we also offer the wide range of sales and competitive service options to the over consumers and farming community. And most of we agree these are the states. First one is the Punjab, we giving shown here. And after that, it is Jharkhand, it's a millet processing unit with value added. And Chhattisgarh, it's a 100 kg per hour unit processing. And Orissa, it's only Ragi, means millet processing unit is there. In Telangana, it's a most of customers is in Telangana, it's a universities and KVKs also given. And Andhra Pradesh, we giving the value added machineries, pulverizers, cover makers, and small millet processing units. And Karnataka also we giving the millet processing units at up to three numbers, means 3 units. In Maharashtra, 2 units we given, and Madhya Pradesh we giving the automatic plant. It's a bigger plant along with collaboration with cookies also. They are doing primary process, and after that cookies, it's the end products they are making. This is the my as of now we made the sales here. If you want any interested, just contact my number. This is that. And one more thing I will show you. This is the first one we giving the millet processing in Madhya Pradesh, it's Maharashtra, Nandurbar. This is the women welfare unit. And this one is the destoner, small one, 260 kgs, and this one is the polisher. It's the first customer we giving this one. So actually, I will explain the small story on this. His name is the Shivaram Reddy. He started that 2022. He is actually basically farmer. Once he getting the missionaries, he getting the more yield on that. Means he's selling the more foxtail millets in his places. He getting the more profit and benefits also. This is the Orissa project. So only finger millets. We explained this one is the so many FPOs and so many states there came and seen our missionaries in IAMR. This is the Gujarat. We giving the some KVK in Gujarat. It's nearer to Ankleshwar. These are here also women women self-help group. Same area. This is Gujarat only. This is the Dihala. And recently we giving the training in Hyderabad. Sadrigar Solutions Private Limited. We giving the all millet processing machineries. This toner, this is 500 kg per hour. Here most of women entrepreneurs only there. We explained that it's so many machineries. All machineries are companies manufacture machineries. So thank you, sir, giving the lecture. If you have any doubt, please tell me, sir.